Title: The Amazing Story of Muhammad's Heart. Ali, hey Amir, I want to tell you an amazing story about our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, when he was a little boy. Amir, wow, I love stories about the Prophet. Tell me. Ali, okay, so when Muhammad, peace be upon him, was about our age, he had a very special visitor. Amir, who was it? Ali, it was Angel Jibril. He came to Muhammad, peace be upon him, and took him to a quiet spot. Amir, what happened next? Ali, Jibril opened Muhammad's, peace be upon him, chest and showed him his heart. Amir, that's weird. Ali, wait, it gets even cooler. Jibril removed a black clot from Muhammad's, peace be upon him, heart. Amir, what was that thing? Ali, it was like a yucky cloud that can make our hearts feel dirty. But Jibril washed it away with special water from a holy well. Amir, whoa, that's so cool. What happened next? Ali, Jibril filled Muhammad's, peace be upon him, heart with faith and wisdom. And from that day on, Muhammad, peace be upon him, felt happy and strong in his heart.